Want a simple, automatic way to spot key price levels without drawing a single line? Let's talk about how to use pivot points, one of the most underrated tools in technical analysis. Unlike tools you have to draw manually, pivot points automatically generate support and resistance points, plus the central pivot point PP. These levels can help traders plan entries, exits, and stop-loss placements, especially in trending or range-bound markets. Let's take a look at pivot points in action. For this illustration, we've chosen the US 500 cash. Log into your charting platform and open the chart. Next, head to your indicators toolbar and select pivot points. These are your pivot levels and they update automatically based on the previous period's price action. PP is the pivot point, basically the midpoint from the previous day. R1, R2, and R3 are resistance levels, and S1, S2, and S3 are support levels. Traders use these levels to anticipate reversals, breakouts, and pullbacks. Price often reacts near R1 and S1, acting like invisible walls where momentum can stall or flip. From here, you could take an intraday trade on the firm belief that price might breach the third resistance level, as we've done here with our trade on the US 500 cash. Alternatively, you could place market orders at the resistance and support levels and use them as pivot points to enter and exit the market. As for time frames, pivot points work particularly well in daily time frames and are great for day trading or short-term swing trades. Alternatively, you can use them in hourly time frames, perfect for scalpers who need to make quick decisions. Here's a tip. Pivot points come alive when used with other tools. Think candlestick setups, RSI divergences, or volume spikes. If price hits S1 with a bullish engulfing candle and rising volume, that's something to pay attention to. Got a favorite pivot point setup? Share it in the comments. We love hearing how different traders use this tool. And if this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more trading guides.